Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been really busy and haven't had a lot of time to put out videos. I've done a lot of filming. Unfortunately, haven't done a lot of editing, so I figured I'd put out these videos I shot earlier this spring. And this is a day of DIY where I could spend some time with my family, working on home improvement projects, and just getting some things done around the home. With the grass beginning to grow, it's time to get the lawn tractor out and give it a good power wash, as well as put new blades on the deck. I've been really happy with this Cub Cadet. We've had it for 8 years. It owes us nothing. We put it to a lot of work, especially in the last couple of years as we've mowed more of the property and expanded some of the lawn. These blades I'm installing on the deck are 50-inch. I have another video on their third-party aftermarket blades. They cost around $30. They're really inexpensive and they offer really good results in performance. A set of blades at Tractor Supply, probably going to run you around $75, so this is a nice alternative at $30 for these max power blades. I'll leave a link below in the description. Next, it was time to move on to the front steps. My goal here with the pressure washer was actually to strip them down to next to nothing. I want to go ahead and restain the steps later this spring, so today was the perfect day to get this done. There's always a sense of satisfaction when one's using a pressure washer, but in this case, removing all this grime and years of buildup was quite nice. I ended up doing the steps and the rails, so at a later date this spring, we can get things stained. When everything was dry, I was quite pleased with the results. Next, it was time to clean out the OffGrid Rainwater system. Just giving this a good rinse and clean out is always the first step. I actually ended up putting a lot more time into the system. I was never really happy with the height of the overall IBC taupe, so I ended up raising the overall height of the system by adding cinder blocks underneath. By doing that, I had to redesign my angles for the downward pipe from the first flush system. This took a little time and calculation, but I'm quite pleased now with the overall results. Definitely check out the links below in the description. I do have more information, including videos on this OffGrid rainwater collection system. Next, it was time to move on to the garden. The tiller you see in this video is about 45 years old. It works great and belongs to my parents. We're keeping this tiller in the family and sharing it between members. This was the second time tilling the garden this spring, getting it ready for new soil to be added later in the week. And here's a look at the final result. Our final project of the day was getting out in the back 40 where we are working on clearing out some of our land. It's been fun as a family to head out and clear brush, especially when we need a break from remote learning in school. Our kids are also looking to help, and they also like to play too. This photo was taken from last summer. You can see how overgrown the land is. And yes, that's our visiting cow. That's a whole nother story. We've made a lot of progress this spring and the kids are really enjoying this new area to play in. With all the brush we've removed, it's made for a pretty impressive pile. We're going to burn this later when it's safe and we have a permit. In the meantime, we have enjoyed lots of smaller campfires as a family using the brush we have cut down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.